UAVS stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday is Ageagle aerial system stock a buy. I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1-minute video. Now, I am the only person in the stock trading space actually having done 43,000 videos over 5 years, and I've documented everything. So I've seen what's printing and making me money. And genuinely from this first glance here is the top. Boom, here's my demand zone. And only if the price does pull down and does show me this shift, then I'm looking to take it further higher. You know what I mean? UAVS, that's how it's looking like. I have about 3 results here in the Discord. Now it's just that if there's no confirmation or anything, that I'm not going to be buying. Very simple. And that's it. I mean, I'm not saying it's going to happen straight up today. It might take up a couple of days. It might not even ever happen. You know what I mean? So that's why I will keep you updated. So if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. It's free.